Are you a builder? A builder is obsessed with delivering real value to customers, brushing aside fads, short-term distractions, and financial gymnastics. Under their leadership, a business grows in size, profitability, and stature. Your company was founded by builders, and you can still spot builders today. Their main passion is organic growth sustained over the years. They focus on understanding customer needs and meeting them with differentiated, protected products. Other leaders choose to be remodelers, always fixing the place up. This is helpful work, improving productivity and quality, for instance. But if nothing new is built, you have diminishing returns and a race to commoditization. Other leaders are decorators, trying to boost curb appeal with every quarterly financial report. They think they're doing meaningful work, but are actually engaged in a spectator sport, not a participant sport. Finally, some are realtors. They love to buy and sell, reaping their rewards when the work of other hands changes hands. Acquisitions are fine, but if you can't grow what you acquire, you're building a house of cards. For strong growth, you need a builder, because there are 3 types of growth and you can only control one. Be nervous if you hear someone say, "We grew at 5% this year, so we should hit 8% next year." Some of that growth was inherited from long ago innovation. Don't count on this continuing forever. Some is market growth, the rising tide that lifts all boats. But if a competitor creates a blockbuster, your growth could turn negative. Earned growth only occurs when you surpass competitors in meeting customer needs. And it's the only growth you can control. Earned growth is often small, but is masked by unearned growth. So if it is within you, be a builder. Only the builder leaves their business stronger than they found it. And this is the first duty of any business leader. Check out this article for more on builders and decorators. And you can download this ebook to see all 30 of these videos in written form. If we can help, email us at info@theaiminstitute.com. We'd love to hear from you.